You found this video because you're searching for Uber promo codes to use in 2024, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, guys. I'm going to show you a brand new working Uber promo code that's going to get you $100 account credit, or whatever $100 is in your local currency. You're also going to be able to get free rides on the Uber app, and this works for new and existing customers, guys. So just follow the instructions that I'm going to show you, and this is going to be saving you a ton of time because I spent hours doing what I'm doing here, just searching and clicking links. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use a mobile phone. So you can see I've got my iPhone here, and you've got to go to the following website. So open up the internet on your phone, have an internet connection, of course, and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So very important, you go to Robot Coupons, guys, because this is a brand new coupon codes website that I discovered, and they honestly do have the best codes on here for Uber. But they also have tons of other things. You can literally just browse through here for hours and save tons and tons of money. So it says use this handy search bar, search now. So let's go to the Uber page. Apologies for my typing, guys. I'm trying to type looking through the camera. But you need to navigate to this page here, guys. And as I mentioned, you can get $100 Uber account credit promo code. You can also get to your next 3 Uber rides for free. So you need to select the code you want, and as you can see, guys, this red bar is pulsating, and it says coupons left. So these coupons are actually limited. So you will see these codes are protected to prevent people from basically getting thousands of free credit. So yeah, they are limited to 1 code per person. So that means you have to unlock your personal Uber promo code, guys, but don't panic. Super easy, and it only does take a few minutes. So you got to click on this unlock code button, and this is going to count up to 100%. Now, I'm going to go ahead and skip this, guys, just because I don't want to waste codes for a purpose of a tutorial. But basically, when that gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your Uber promo code. You have to complete a couple of these really simple tasks, and basically verifies you're a real person and not a robot. It'll be pretty obvious when you see the screen, but yeah, just choose 2 tasks and fully complete them, and they can be like downloading and playing free games, like mobile games, or answering survey questions. And once you've done 2 of those, this code will be fully revealed. So just come back to this tab, and this will be fully revealed, and you can literally enter it into the Uber app, and it's going to give you $100 balance. So that is definitely the best Uber promo code that I found, and you can see it's pretty highly rated, guys. So yeah, go ahead, give this a try, smash the like button, and enjoy your Uber discount codes.